welcome back. If you've made it to this video, congrats. I'm going to show you this 4-hour CRT setup I caught today, a little trade recap, and how you can do the same. I'm going to practically spoon feed you everything you need to know, and you can take this away and replicate it on the charts for yourself. One reason for me being bearish today as well, if you look at the hourly chart, you can see we closed above this previous old high. We had a candle closure above, trapping retail traders, dumb money into the market, break and retest. It would have got ruined all the way down. False breakout. And to me, this is a sign I want to look for shorts. If I didn't catch the short at the top here, the turtle soup, I'm going to wait for a re-entry, another CRT candle, and I'll sit on my hands and wait. So at the time of recording, I went down to the 4-hour candle, and as you can see, we had our 4-hour range. The second candle closed below the previous 4-hour, and the third candle dumped to hit our target, the CRT low. And I'm going to break down the actual entry as well. So we had this 15-minute order block, which you could have caught on the second candle, but this is for more experienced traders, CRT traders. I wouldn't recommend it. It's a lot easier to catch the third candle, the distribution. And once we got the candle closure of candle 2 below the previous 4-hour, then I went and looked for an entry. And if we look at the lower time frame, let's look at the 15-minute. You can see straight away we had this 15-minute order block, model 1. So we got the closure below on the 4-hour. We then made an order block. We retraced back into this order block before dumping. I actually took my entry from this 5-minute fair value gap. It was a bit more precise, gave me a better risk to reward, but as long as you sold in that 15-minute order block with stops just above, targeting the range low, you would be laughing. And what do we know about price? Once we come down, we get that first massive push down. We will always come close to the target, but never quite hits the target. So there's always another opportunity to catch another entry. Kiss of death, turtle soup. There will always be a final turtle soup before we dump to the target. So we have candle 1 is the range, candle 2 is where we wait for it to tap into a key level and get a closure below. That's our confirmation the price wants to move lower. And then candle 3, we look for an entry, be in model 1, or you can catch the final turtle soup dumping to the target. So there's about 3 entry opportunities on this one trade. We had the key level entry, closure below, retraced back into the order block, entry 2, and then our final entry is the kiss of death, dumping, targeting the low.